After 4 more cases of bird flu are discovered on Iowa farms, Iowa's governor is declaring a state of emergency. The 4 new cases are in farms in Sac, Pocahontas, Cherokee, and Madison counties. Madison County case affects 1 million egg-laying hens. There's no estimate on the other 3 counties. This brings the number of bird flu cases in Iowa to 21, with more than 15 million birds under quarantine or killed so far. State officials say farms affected by the virus need to take strict steps to prevent its spread.
It's important to control access to your site and within your site, and to disinfect all vehicles and to consider any person within a site as something that needs to be disinfected so as not to spread the disease within the site. Do not feed poultry any feed material that has been stored outside, and certainly clean up any spilled material that's outside that birds would have any access to.
The state of emergency and disaster declaration gives state agencies and others responding to the bird flu outbreak access to more resources. The disaster proclamation also eases several regulations about transport and disposal of poultry to make response to the outbreak easier.